India shares borders with Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Let's quickly dive into India's trade and cultural ties with these countries. First, let's talk about trade and its significance in shaping economies and cultures. India has strong economic links with many of its neighbors, fostering relationships through the exchange of goods and services. For example, India's trade with China is huge, especially in electronics and machinery, which are vital for both countries' technological advancements. However, it's also a competitive relationship, as both nations strive to outdo each other in various sectors, balancing cooperation with rivalry. With Nepal and Bhutan, India is their largest trading partner. These countries mainly exchange goods like agricultural products, textiles, and construction materials. Bangladesh is another key partner, with India exporting goods like machinery and chemicals while importing textiles and food products. Now, culturally, India shares deep historical ties with its neighbors. These connections are reflected in the shared traditions, festivals, and rituals that have been passed down through generations. Nepal shares religious bonds with India, especially in Hinduism. The festivals of Dashain and Tihar are celebrated with great enthusiasm in both countries, showcasing their shared heritage. Bhutan and India share cultural celebrations, such as the vibrant festival of Diwali and the colorful Losar festival, which highlight their deep-rooted cultural connections. While Myanmar has strong connections through Buddhism, the shared reverence for Buddhist traditions and the celebration of festivals like Vesak strengthen the bond between these two nations. India and Sri Lanka have a shared cultural history, deeply rooted in ancient trade routes that connected the two lands for centuries. These routes facilitated not just the exchange of goods, but also ideas and traditions. This rich history is reflected in their similar art forms, traditional dances, and diverse cuisine, which have evolved yet remained intertwined over the years. And let's not forget the long-standing bond of the Indian diaspora in many of these countries, which continues to celebrate and preserve these cultural connections, enriching communities worldwide. For students, understanding these relationships is key to grasping how India's cultural and economic influence shapes the South Asian region. So next time you think about India's neighbors, remember, it's not just about borders, it's about trade, culture, and connections that go way